So hi guys, welcome to my compiler series. In this video, we are going to see what the lexical analysis is. Okay, so as we have seen earlier, it is the first phase of the compiler. What it mainly does is it reads source code as stream of characters and convert it into tokens. Okay, then its main work includes it removes comments and white spaces. So let's understand with this with the help of a diagram. It first has a source program, which is the program written by the programmer in a high level language like C, C++, or Java. Okay, so let we have program which has int a equal to b plus c. This program cannot directly understood by the compiler phase, so it is passed to the lexical analyzer. Okay, so the main job of the lexical analyzer is to read the source program character by character and convert it into meaningful units called tokens. Okay, so what are tokens? Tokens are the smallest meaningful units like keywords, identifiers, operators, symbols, etc. Keywords like int, float, double, identifiers like A, B, C, or any name which we will give. Okay, so and operators like equal to, plus, symbols like semicolons, etc. Okay, so these tokens are then sent to the parser as shown in the diagram. Then, what is symbol table? I forgot to discuss this in the phases of compiler video. So let's discuss what the symbol table mainly is. It is the shared data structure used by different phases of the compiler. Okay, and we have seen this that lexical analyzer is also using symbol table and parser is also using symbol table. So what does it store? It basically stores information about variable name, data type, scope, memory location. Whenever the lexical analysis finds an identifier like A, B, or C, it enters a lookup that identifier is in symbol table or not. That's why you see two arrows, lexical analyzer to symbol table and parser to symbol table. Okay, so the symbol table acts like a dictionary of identifiers for the compiler. Then what the parser does, the parser receives the token from the lexical analyzer and checks whether the sequence of tokens follows the grammar of the language, uh, which it checked it from context-free grammar and generates parse tree. Okay, if our program is grammatically correct, then it will generate parse trees. This is the main function of the parser. Okay, so we can also see that there is one arrow which is going from parser to lexical analyzer, which says request for token. So the parser does not receive all the tokens at once. Instead, it requests tokens from the lexical analyzer whenever needed. Okay, so that is why we see the arrow says request for tokens, which says give me the token, and the lexical analyzer respond with the next token. Okay, if the syntax is correct and the parser constructs a parse tree which represents the hierarchical structure of the program. A parse tree is later used for semantic analysis and intermediate code generation, which we have seen in the mm, in previous video, the phases of compiler video. Okay, so then let's see what are the role of lexical analyzer. It has token generation. It converts character streams into meaningful tokens. Then it helps for removal of white spaces and comments. Then it's for symbol table management, for inserts identifiers and maintains their attributes. Then lexical error detection. It detects invalid tokens like illegal symbols or mal-informed identifiers. Okay, so why separate lexical analysis is needed? So it simplifies parsers, it improves efficiency, and it is a modular design. These are the three call. These are the three reasons why separate lexical analysis is required. Okay, so thank you. We will discuss further in the next video.